How to fix Sniper Elite 5 crashing on Steam. First, go to your library and right-click on the game, open up the Properties window, go to Installed Files, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for this process to finish checking your files. It might take a while. And once this is done, go to the General tab and under Launch Options, try to add -D3D11, or if this does not work, you can try -DX11 like this. Now you can close out of this window. Next, you want to try to disable overlays. Go to Settings and then In-Game and disable the Steam overlay. Next, you want to disable Discord overlay also if you have it enabled, along with any other apps that might have overlays, including NVIDIA. If you have an NVIDIA GPU, you should have NVIDIA app installed. Go to Settings and then disable the NVIDIA overlay. And the last step is to check for your graphics card updates. So go to the drivers and make sure to have the latest Game Ready driver installed. You can also try hit the reinstall button here to reinstall it again if it's causing issues. Next, you can close out of this and restart your computer by hitting the restart button. And before launching the game after a fresh restart, you should open up Steam as admin and then launch your Sniper Elite 5 game, and that should fix the crashing problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.